In my experience, whenever you're dealing with a firearm and you want that firearm to be examined by the forensics department, what normally happens is that that firearm is secured in an evidence gun box. It is sealed, and the owner of the firearm would sign on the tip, which is the seal for the box. When I questioned the police about whether that was done, it wasn't. As well as in terms of personal property, if the police take custody of your personal property, I know that normally they would issue a receipt. It's called a triplicate receipt. None was issued to my client. So I remain very apprehensive and very wary in terms of how that whole process was dealt with, especially because it was done by, I would consider Mr. Jaime Gonzalez to be a very senior officer and would have known what the procedure is. But unfortunately, that is the case.
Is there anything else involving your client on this particular matter that I may be overlooking that you care to expand on?
That my client is innocent? Well, other than that, my client remains, he is very cooperative with the police. He has attended an interview. I must say that the interview has been very, I would say, professional. My client is not being mistreated in any way. But that does not mean that he waives any right to bring an action against the police for false imprisonment, because we are of the view that he was detained unlawfully and that there was no probable cause to hold him in detention for 48 hours.